10 বছর ধরে আইপিএলে ট্রফি জিততে পারেনি কলকাতা নাইট রাইডার্স। এবার সেই ট্রফির খরা কাটাতে বদ্ধপরিকর গম্ভীরের ছেলেরা। শুক্রবার চলতি মরশুমের জন্য উইকেট পুজো করে নিজেদের অনুশীলন শুরু করে দিল কেকেআর। তবে অনুশীলন শুরু করার আগে উইকেটে মালা পরিয়ে নারকেল ভাঙলেন কলকাতা নাইট রাইডার্সের ক্রিকেটাররা। এই সময় ইডেন গার্ডেন্সের মাঠে উপস্থিত ছিলেন রিঙ্কু সিং, ভেঙ্কটেশ আয়ার, নীতিশ রানা, কোচ চন্দ্রকান্ত পণ্ডিত সহ একাধিক খেলোয়াড়রা। এদিন অনুশীলনের পরে দলের অভিজ্ঞ ব্যাটার মনীষ পান্ডে সাংবাদিকদের মুখোমুখি হয়েছিলেন। দীর্ঘদিন পরে আবার কেকেআরে ফিরে এসেছেন মনীষ পান্ডে। তিনি টুর্নামেন্টে তার দলের সম্ভাবনা নিয়ে আশাবাদী।
To start with, yeah, obviously coming back after 6 years, 2017 was the last time that we played, and finally coming back to KKR feels really good, feels like home. Spent 4 years there because KKR as a franchise has given me a lot, in terms of my career and the things like that, and in return what we have given to KKR is also our utmost effort and given a trophy for that matter. So obviously it feels really good coming back to home, and with Gauti Bhai as a mentor coming back is also very, very special because we have had great history before. We won the IPL before as well. So it feels good again, and as of now the chats, we have not had a lot of chats because the first day of practice was today, and hopefully before the first game we'll have a lot of clarity of the roles and the kind of roles they want to play. So I'm looking forward to play for KKR once again, and the squad looks really good. Played with a lot of cricketers. Some of the older faces are still here. Some new guys have come in. So I think the guys have done really well for KKR. I'm really happy to come back to KKR as a cricketer, and looking forward to really good job. I think we all have that kind of talented players that can be possibly named as those X factors. Because everybody has a lot of talent here. I think on a given day, anybody can do it for us. I mean, from number 1 to number 11, or also can the impact player be a crucial part for us. So I think, as I said, I'm really happy to be part of this team where everybody brings a lot on the table, and the kind of talent that we have. I think we should be looking at playing at the highest level and qualify to the knockouts first, and then take it from there. I think we all have a great team, and we'll play accordingly. I think that was the fire that was needed back then, and then we won continuously some 7 games, and then we ended up winning the championship as well. So I think sometimes it's luck, but I think more than luck, it's the kind of attitude everybody gets on the field on a given day, and I think that was a really good patch for us as a team. Everybody was chipping in, and it was lovely for me to finish that season with which that kind of performance was needed, and I'm happy to be on that side. So obviously, as I said, getting that attitude to the field, that fearlessness on the field would be great. And if we are able to do that, all level players collectively, we should be able to take this team to the knockouts first, and then play well from there with the IPL. About Raya, obviously we have played a lot of cricket together for India and India A games. We have a good chemistry. We are hoping that after he gets his clearance from NCA, I think which he did, he'll come back and join the squad as soon as possible. We are all happy to have him and play under him, and learn a lot from all the guys who have been doing well for this franchise. So it will be a good experience, a new experience for me playing under stress, and hoping that he holds the whole team together, which he has been doing obviously for KKR from so many years, and I'm hoping that we are a great season forward. Competition टीम में और इंडिया में बहुत ज़्यादा है obviously, ये गेम ही ऐसा है, but जैसे आपने बोला KKR को जीते हुए 10 साल हो गए, तो obviously they have made a few changes. Some of the guys have been doing really well, और उसके हिसाब से हमारा कोशिश ये रहेगा as all players that whenever the opportunities come, as I said, keep playing level. मेरे हाथ में कोई बात नहीं है, मेरे हाथ में वो है कि मैं अपना जो भी प्रैक्टिस मैचेस मिलेंगे और जो नेक्स्ट सेशन होंगे उसमें अच्छा करूँ, और जहाँ भी मौका मिलेगा, जिस भी ऑर्डर में मिलेगा वहाँ पे जाऊँ और मैसेज देता हूँ. एंड ऑफ द डे जब आपको वो 2 पॉइंट मिलते हैं तो उसकी खुशी बहुत अच्छी होती है. तो कोशिश करेंगे कि वो जितने पॉइंट्स हो सके टीम को दिलाएंगे, और आगे बढ़ते फाइनल से खेलेंगे और फाइनल से जीतेंगे.
एक्स्ट्रा टाइम.
লেটেস্ট নিউজ আর এক্সক্লুসিভ ভিডিওর সঙ্গে আপডেট থাকতে এখনই সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমাদের ইউটিউব চ্যানেল। বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করতে ভুলবেন না যেন।